And guess what? The Walker Cup, we have it for you. And Jamaica College secured only their third lean on the corporate area knockout title. The Walker Cup with a 2-0 win over defending champions Kingston College a short while ago at the National Stadium.
Having lost last year's Walker Cup final to the famed Purples of North Street, and then again in the quarterfinal stage of this season's Manning Cup, Jamaica College were hell-bent on revenge. And their talisman, Tariq McGee, sent the Dark Blues of Old Hope Road on their merry way in the 27th minute after some persistent pressure. Is this the opening goal? Played across, and Tariq McGee latches on to the end of it, and the opening goal goes the way of Jamaica College. Tariq McGee opening the scoring for the Dark Blues. He's the number 11 for Jamaica College. Oh, what a move from JC. With KC pushing for the equalizer, McGee again made them pay on the stroke of halftime after a defensive error. 2-0! JC, they're moving away from Kingston College. Miguel Cole celebrates. Tariq McGee, his 13th of the season. What a strike that was. The halftime talk by KC's coach Ludlow Bernard clearly got his charges going as they pushed to get back into the game. Substitute Trevon Reed forced a penalty, which he converted in the 80th minute.
Well, it's a magnificent performance from the team. You look at the sheer aggression in. If you had some metric to test how far or how the distance covered, it would be immense because we were pressing even right up to the 80th minute. So you look at the last part, we just had to defend because we had expended a lot of energy in those 80 minutes. But the most important thing is that we got the goals. That's brilliant. And a soft goal to give up, but at that point you could figure, all right, we can hold on for this. And the most important thing is the psychology behind this win because, as I said, we lost 2-0 maybe 2 weeks ago, a week and a half ago, and many persons figured this was just JC turn up and give the Walker Cup to Kingston College. So it's the most important thing for the players that they can be champions.
Are really disappointing first half from us. You know, I don't think we started the game with any amount of urgency, and because of that, Jamaica College was able to take advantage of the situation, and they scored early, something that we normally do. And then the second goal was really the killer. It was approaching the halftime break, and my defense just switched off, something which is quite unusual for them. But I really love the fight back in the second half. We really pulled it together, got the midfield, reorganized the team, the shape of the team, and still continue to create chances for the group.